Hello everyone! Today, I'm gonna present and enlighten you on how I keep up with my day-to-day tasks in a more structured, integrated manner so that you can learn how to summarize your time for productivity, as well as make your life easier in general. You don't want to be that person, the one who struggles to keep up with their everyday responsibilities, especially those involving our communication devices. So today, I hope I can educate you on some of the techniques I use to shortcut my way into the digital world. We all know how tedious and exhausting it is to have to go through every email address you have just to catch up on your emails, or having to open every single one of the domains just to find that one email you're looking for. As a result, I deal with this tiresome procedure by using an app called Spike. It's a free, downloadable software that can keep track of all your email accounts at once without having to continuously open many tabs and logging in of different email domains. It's fast, easy, and it even fuels productivity by prioritization, easy layout, and you can even create notes and tasks to stay in track. It even has an accessible feature to create groups and contact multiple people at once. And when you had to reschedule responding to the email, it can also, in fact, do that with just a simple click. I honestly recommend it. Let's put it to the test, shall we? So I've been wanting to reply to this newsletter email. So what I do is I open up Word, and what I like to do is, I'm all for self-improvement and testing my capabilities. So I downloaded a words per minute counter that can actually keep track of my typing speed anywhere I desire to type on my computer. Pretty cool, right? It even says my strokes per minute and even per hour, which is wonderful since you can actually track your progress for improvement. So I use Microsoft Word. I have a few tricks I like to use from utilizing the application for like 7 years now. For example, when I want to remove a lot of text, I just press Ctrl backspace. Or when I want to select all of the text in a paragraph, I just triple click and Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Paste it on Spike, and then I'm done. Pretty cool, right? With the rise of virtual learning and online program utilization, we tend to be given tasks that include making a presentation, making a poster, etc. It's a long task that takes up loads of my time. So what I do is I use Canva. Kind of like Microsoft's PowerPoint, but so much easier to maneuver. Instead of thinking of your designs, you can just pick a template you want and make it your own. Plus, you don't have to go through the experience of downloading pictures, fonts, vectors. With just one search, Canva provides it for you. You can even use it for video editing. It has saved so much of my time. It's so user-friendly. I highly recommend it. So we are aware of Microsoft Excel, the one we use to organize data sets and basically compute complicated math formulas for you. But what if I told you there was a better software out there? Let me present to you Jump. Jump, or GMP, whatever you want to call it, is an integrated analysis software that many statisticians use to gain a competitive advantage for research in science, engineering, and social sciences. It's a very handy software that easily analyzes data without having to input the formulas. Jump just knows them. So I'd like to demonstrate its use. So first, I'm going to open up MS Excel. I'm using my screen time data from my phone to see my average spent time in the past month of October and basically see how productive I was this month. A few tips and tricks with using Excel is to drag this box down and it copies the formats in the cells all the way. And there you go, a pure data set. Ctrl S and you're done. Next, we open Jump and open the file we just made into it. Categorize the sets according to statistical values and click Analyze, Distribution. Then there, it solves the data for you. I know, it's insane how technology has gone so far. You can make different histogram interpretations to your desires and likings. You can also tabulate your data or make an interactive graph. It's an amazing tool to use and it's super handy to have in your computer. So that's all. I hope I have enlightened you on the different platforms I use for time optimization and cut corners for maximum productivity. Our technological devices are meant to be automatic, but in order for us to use them, you actually have to push their buttons. I'll see you soon and keep changing the world.